Yeah, hi, good evening. This is video for Lian in East Studdale. It's Market FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your jukebox laser for you and it's all working, showing 0 faults now. So you can see that there, the 28th, 10th, 19. This is the part that you actually sent me. I did notice there is on there, someone snapped something off there. That's your top. You should have a little thing that goes over the top of this, a little bit of plastic, and you need to put that back on, because if you get light in there, the lasers don't work properly. It seems to reflect it for some reason. But basically, yeah, I've had it on test now for about 7 hours. It's all working and playing, no jumps or skips on old or news. So yeah, it's working fine. I greased up the cogs for you and rechecked them, made sure they're all good. Not a lot of wear on it, to be honest with you. Better than what I expected, you know, these older types to be. It doesn't seem to have a lot of work on this one, which is a good sign for you. So I've not replaced anything else. Check the micro switch for you. I've given that a little bit of a clean. Visual check over, yeah, it all seems fine. So basically all I've done really was just greased it and changed the laser. But you got a 6-month warranty on it, on the laser itself. We obviously only warrant the laser because we can't warrant any other parts, because we never replaced anything. But anything we do replace, we do warrant anyway. All we ask for within that 6 months, if anything goes wrong, is just the postage and packaging. And we'll be happy to change that laser again for you free of charge. And we don't get money back anyway, so that's great. Thank you very much, Lian, for sending us your stuff to work with, and we're, you know, more than happy to help you if you ever get any problems. Thank you very much. You have a great evening. Thank you.